Today we are doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to replace that shutoff valve down there and rebuild this American Standard toilet. Always the first step, locate and shut off the main water. Once the water's off, flush the toilet to drain down the tank. Then take your supply line off. Be ready with a bucket or some rags just in case you get some water out. Now it's time to remove this valve. Since there's enough copper sticking out of the wall, I'm going to go ahead and cut this old sweat one off and we're going to put on a compression style. Be sure to clean the pipe up real nice and good and put a new escutcheon on while you're at it. Tighten the compression nut and you're good to go. Now moving into the tank, let's detach the flapper chain from the handle and go ahead and remove your handle now. Toilet handle nuts are typically backwards threads, so be sure to righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. Next, unscrew the black piece attached to the chain that's in the center of the flapper, set that to the side. Pull the flapper assembly up and throw away the blue ring. Put your new blue flapper ring on there and reassemble. Alright, time to replace the fill valve. Pull the black hose off and the clip that's attached to the flush valve. Now let's open up our new fill valve and get everything ready. Rip that top square off, hold on to that, you're going to need that for later. The new fill valve kit will have a black clip, a new washer, and a locking nut. So grab your fill valve, put the washer on with the beveled side down. Hold on to these parts, you'll need those later. Alright, grab your piece of cardboard, here we go. So we're going to unthread the old nut with our left hand and we're going to hold pressure downwards on the fill valve with our right hand. This will allow you to change the fill valve without having to drain the tank entirely. Have a couple towels ready just in case you get some water out. Once the old nut is removed, grab your piece of cardboard, push up on the bottom of your fill valve and move it out of the way. Now that you're holding pressure on the bottom of the cardboard, grab your new fill valve, push it back down through the hole and hold pressure on the top of the fill valve. Thread the nut onto the new fill valve and clean up any mess you made. Now you're ready to install your new toilet supply. Now you can grab your black hose and black clip, put those together, and then hook it up to the fill valve. Make sure that that tube is shooting water into the flush valve. Alright, lastly, grab your toilet handle and install it to the tank. Remember, these are reverse threads. Then take a few minutes and adjust your flapper and handle if needed. Turn the water on and test it out.